Good afternoon. If you missed class today, here's a quick 1.1 review. The two vocabulary words that most students miss, and the ones I wanted to go over today, are collinear and coplanar. To be collinear means that the 2 points, or 3 points, or however many points there are on the same line. And coplanar means that they are on the same plane. So co, that prefix means they're on the same thing, and if it's collinear, it's the same line, and coplanar means same plane. So just identifying what those words mean so that we can use them to identify what are my collinear points and my coplanar points. So I'm going to skip down to the last two sections, 4 through 15, and let's look at our collinear and coplanar points. And if you want to pause the video now and try these, you can, or you can just watch the video through and see how the collinear and coplanar points are classified. So first of all, we have 4. We have line AB. Notice that line symbol above it. It's a line because it has 2 arrows. So line AB, and point C. And because it's a line AB and not a segment AB, it goes on forever. It goes through B all the way to C, and it would go forever in both of those directions. So it goes through C because it's a line and it goes on forever, which means that A, B, and C are collinear. B and F, points B and F, there's F, there's B, and if I look at what line F is on this line that goes all the way through B. So B and F are collinear. And then number 6, we have line EB, again, line EB, which means it goes on forever. It's going to keep going. And point A, there's point A. If we look at our picture, line EB and point A are not on the same line. So A is not on that line, which means that these are not collinear. That definition, again, not on the same line. And our last question, point F and plane Q. So here's plane Q. That's our plane, looks like a sheet of paper, and point F. Point F and plane Q are not collinear. They're not on the same line. And now let's look at coplanar. Are these on the same plane? So E, B, and F, are they on the same plane? The only plane we have here is plane Q. This plane right here. Are these coplanar? So line DB and line FC. Here's DB, and here's FC. Are these on the same plane? Well, no, it doesn't look like they are, and the reason why is that F is not on the plane. So if F is not on the plane, then it can't be coplanar with C, D, and E. So this is a no, those are not coplanar, not on the same plane. And number 9, DB and FC. Oh, I'm sorry, I just answered that one. That's no. Number 10, AC and ED, those 2 lines. Let's see if those are on the same plane. So AC, that's AC. ED is that one. Are they both on the same plane? Are they inside of plane Q specifically? And they are. And number 11, AE, looks like that would be a line there, and DC. Are those both on the same plane? And it looks like those are as well. So if you want to pause the video and try the next 4, you can, and then unpause and check your work. Otherwise, I'm just going to put the answers up here. So our answers would be, these are not coplanar. F is not on the plane. These are not coplanar, not on the same plane. Plane Q and line EC. Line EC is on plane Q, so that works. And FB and BD are not on the same plane because F is off the plane, so that's a no. So there's that, and that's how we are going to identify our collinear and coplanar points.